Evening, folks. DC Works here. Thought I'd show you what we've been up to the last three weekends. We had a customer that had a kind of a ranch pole barn cave in on them. We're saving half of it and rebuilding the other half. So it's kind of a pole barn rebuild, build. I had to reset these posts to save that wall. And today we've been putting up these trusses. We also set the posts in the back, and we reused old tongue and groove 2x8s on the bottom. Unfortunately, they don't make 2x8s anymore, so we'll have to replace the rest or finish that run with 2x6 tongue and groove. But, we'll do a couple more videos when we get to the tin and all that. Last year, same customer, we fixed that barn. And also last year, or maybe it was the year before, really nice farm this guy's got. Last year, we built that garage for him. So he's really been a good customer. Every year he's been having us do something. So he's got a lot of nice buildings here. And another nice thing, he actually did it himself. He built himself a picnic shelter with an old grain bin. This is the other half of that pole barn that didn't come down in that heavy snow. So we'll be re-tinning all of that and fixing that door. So I appreciate the interest. Thanks for watching. Good night.